Hey, so how to install funny Color Call and Ringtones app? So yeah, just tap Get and you should be able to install that just using your Touch ID or Face ID. And there you have it. So yeah, with this app, in a nutshell, you can just get like own more stylish ringtones, and you can also get all this like visual effects and stuff like that. So super cool. So you can get all these notifications. So yeah, something like that. And then you can just add your own ringtones. You can see previews, you can go to Discover section and all of that. So there you have it, something like that. Hope it is helpful.